We provide quality higher education and imparting the value of devotion and dedication to our students.
Vishnu sir, could you please give a reminder message to
Sir,
the
yes, sir, I will
participants?
give, sir. I will give.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Sir, shall we start the program today?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm ready, sir. I'm ready.
Let the participant can join later onwards, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Because there may be some special duties today, since the transport has begun. Some of the colleges, they should have summoned people to come there
Yes,
directly.
sir. Yes, sir. They
And
will come, sir.
some face continuously network problems, sir. For past 1 week, there is a fluctuation for all the networks, particularly Airtel. So there may be network issues.
Okay.
So we shall begin, sir.
Okay, sir. Definitely. A warm welcome to all. I'm very much happy to invite you all for day 5 professional development program on e-content development. At the outset, I cordially invite our resource person and workshop trainer, Dr. Vimal Jaral. For the past 4 days, he was with us and trained in different ICT tools. I'm very much happy. We learned teaching faculty or learned the skills and also done our own assignments. Before going to start this program, I will say what is the theme of this today's session. The theme of this today's session is ice cream video editor techniques. That is exploring ice cream video editor. I'm happy, once again, I'm happy to invite Ms. Geeta, Assistant Professor of Tamil, Department of Tamil, our own college, for her prayer song. I welcome you, madam.
கிருபானந்த வாரியார் அருளிய திருப்புகழ். முத்தை தரு பத்தி திருநகை அத்தி கிரை சத்தி சரவண முத்தி குரு வித்து குருவரையன போதும். முத்தை தரு பத்தி திருநகை அத்தி கிரை சத்தி சரவண முத்தி குரு வித்து குருவரையன போதும். முக்கட்பரமர்க்குச் சுருதியின் முற்பட்டது கற்பித்திருவரும் முப்பத் மூவர்க்குத் தமரரும் அடிபேன. முக்கட்பரமர்க்குச் சுருதியின் முற்பட்டது கற்பித்திருவரும் முப்பத் மூவர்க்குத் தமரரும் அடிபேன. பத்து தலை தத்த கணிதொடு ஒற்றை கிரிமத்தை பொறுதொரு பட்ட பகல் வட்ட திகிரியில் இரவாக. பத்து தலை தத்தை கனதொடு ஒற்றை கிரிமத்தை பொறுதொரு பட்ட பகல் வட்ட திகிரியில் இரவாக. பத்தற்கிரை தத்தை கடவிய பச்சை புயல் மெச்ச தகுபொருள் வச்சத்தொடு ரட்சித் தருவதும் ஒரு நாளே. பத்தற்கிரை தத்தை கடவிய பச்சை புயல் மெச்ச தகுபொருள் பச்சத்தொடு ரட்சித் தருவதும் ஒரு நாளே. தித்தித்தைய ஒத்த பரிபுற நிற்த பதம் வைத்து பயிரவி திக்கொட்க நடிக்க கழுகொடு எழுதாட. தித்தத்தைய ஒத்த பரிபுற நிற்த பதம் வைத்து பயிரவி திக்கொட்க நடிக்க கழுகொடு எழுதாட. திக்கு பரியாட்ட பைரவர் தொக்கு தொகு தொக்கு தொகு தொகு சித்திர பௌரிக்கு திரிகடையன ஓத. திக்கு பரியாட்ட பைரவர் தொக்கு தொகு தொக்கு தொகு தொகு சித்திர பௌரிக்கு திரிகடையன ஓத. கொத்து பறை கொட்ட களமிசை குக்கு குகு குக்கு குகு குத்தி புதை புக்கு பிடியன முதுகுகை. கொத்து பறை கொட்ட களிமிசை குக்கு குகு குக்கு குகு குத்தி புதை குக்கு பிடியன முதுகுகை. கொட்புற்றல நட்புற்ற உணவை எப்தி பலியிட்டு குலகிரி குத்து படவத்து பொருவல பெருமானே. கொட்புற்றல நட்புற்ற உணரை வெட்டி பலியிட்டு குலகிரி குத்து படவத்து புறவல பெருமாளே. பெருமானே நன்றி.
காமெடி பீஸ்
Sir, shall I begin? Sir, shall I begin?
Excuse me, sir. Wait a minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. Dear participant and learned professors, I am happy to share a good news. On 26th June 2021, our student Selvan Ayyappan has made a remarkable record. He done 8,747 skippings continuously and made a remarkable record. We are happy to share the good news to you. A small video about that good news.
சமுதாயத்தைச் சேர்ந்த கல்லூரி மாணவர் ஒரு மணி நேரத்தில் 8747 முறை ஸ்கிப்பிங் செய்து சாதனை படைத்துள்ளார். விருதுநகர் மாவட்டம் ஆவரம்பட்டியைச் சேர்ந்தவர் ஐயப்பன். கல்லூரியில் படித்து வரும் இவர் ஒரு மணி நேரத்தில் தொடர்ச்சியாக 8747 முறை ஸ்கிப்பிங் செய்துள்ளார். கின்னஸ் சாதனை படைக்கும் முயற்சியில் ஈடுபட்டுள்ளதாக ஐயப்பன் தெரிவித்தார்.
நோபல் வேர்ல்ட் ரெக்கார்டில் ஒரு மணி நேரம் தொடர்ந்து கண்டினியூவாக ஸ்கிப்பிங் பண்ணி 8774 ஸ்கிப்பிங் பண்ணி நான் நோபல் வேர்ல்ட் ரெக்கார்டில் அச்சீவ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். நான் ஜூலை 8ஆம் தேதி அடுத்து கின்னஸ் பண்ண போகிறேன். இத்தாலிக்காரோட ரெக்கார்டை நான் பிரேக் பண்ண போகிறேன். இதுக்கு வந்து கவர்மெண்ட் எனக்கு ஃபுல் சப்போர்ட் பண்ணால் நான் மேலும் மேலும் இந்தியாவுக்கு பெருமை சேர்ப்பேன்.
நோபல் உலக ரெக்கார்டு அமைப்பைச் சேர்ந்த அரவிந்த் தலைமையிலான நடுவர்கள் ஐயப்பன் ஸ்கிப்பிங் செய்ததை கண்காணித்தனர். இதற்கு முன்பு இத்தாலியைச் சேர்ந்த வீரர் 8873 முறை ஸ்கிப்பிங் செய்து சாதனை படைத்து இருப்பதாக அவர்கள் குறிப்பிட்டனர்.
உடனுக்குடன் செய்திகளை தெரிந்து கொள்ள சன் நியூஸ் பெல் ஐகானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, we shall start the program today.
Thank you. So congratulations, hearty congratulations to the student and the college who encouraged him to achieve a lot.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Congratulations on behalf of the participants.
Thank you.
There are many messages. Please share the messages to your college administrators.
Definitely. I will convey your message, sir.
Thank you. Respected principal, respected administrators, and my dear esteemed participants who have connected from different parts of the country. A very good morning to you all. I hope all of you are hale and hearty. Dear participants, do you like ice cream? Do you like ice cream? We all like ice cream. Yes, those professors who have health issues, even they like ice creams. Can I have a response? Response are very much less today. Yes, many says yes. Okay. Dear professors, today the learning would be on ice cream video editing. It is like eating ice creams. It is like eating ice cream and you will be able to make it a very simple way. It is a very simple tool and you will be able to make it better. Right. My dear participants, the previous day, the last class, the assignments submitted were really good and many of you have attempted submitting your assignments both for PPT as well as screen capturing. I appreciate you for all your serious efforts, generous efforts made submitting the assignments. Your assignments were really made wonderful and some of your assignments were professional too. I really appreciate you all, dear professors. Few suggestions. When you make screen captured e-content, please keep the content ready. For example, if you are doing it with PowerPoint, please keep the PowerPoint in full screen mode, then start recording. Some of you keep the PowerPoint in normal mode. After starting the recording, you make it full screen. No, it is better keep it in full screen, then go for recording. That will be better. So I would be happy if you could start it exactly with full screen, then do it. If you are doing it browser, please keep ready with the browser. For example, if you are starting with Google, please keep it ready. If you are starting with Tally, please keep it ready. If you are doing with the programming language, do it. Okay, yeah. Professor Rusi Sharma, you are very fast. No, your videos are really good and professionals. Yeah, professional. Yeah. So please take it sure. So slowly, we are on the process of attaining perfection. So don't worry if your video is not good. Okay, slowly we shall, once you make it as a hobby, once you do it again and again, it will be perfectly all right. Okay, dear professors. Okay, thank you. Now, dear professors, I am sharing my screen. Today there may be problem of latency. Latency means the delay between the presenter and one who receives. Are you able to see my screen? Is my screen visible to you all? PowerPoint screen?
I welcome you all.
Is my
for
PowerPoint
PPT
screen
making.
visible to you all? Is it visible, dear professors? I suppose it's visible. 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for your answers. Let me make it full screen. Is it available in full screen mode? Because I confirm every now and then. Is it available in full screen mode? Is it available in full screen mode? Yeah, thank you. Now today, as I said earlier, today we are going to cover about Ice Cream Video Editor, which is one of the very, very simple tool. Tomorrow we are going to cover OpenShot. OpenShot is a sophisticated video editor. This tool is with the limitations. I shall brief you about this tool. Then we will move on. So today's session is going to be on Ice Cream Video Editor, in which we are going to make simple videos. And it is a very, very simple video editor, very simple video editor with the limited features. The features are limited. Whatever that you and me are expecting cannot be done. Only few simple things that can be done. And it is very good for the beginners. We start with this and we end with the sophisticated video editors. We'll be comfortable when we edit videos with the sophisticated video editing tools. Okay. And the time limit is also limited, 10 minutes. And if you go more than 10 minutes, then they will your video will have the marker or watermark. Okay. And it is the best for simple videos. It is best for simple videos because the features are very, very simple. Right. You know, I shall today explain you about the environment of ICT Ice Cream Video Editor. I'll also be covering about how to add media files and how to edit in timeline. Finally, how to convert this into video. Okay, how to import your audio, video, music, and so on, and how to edit that, how to edit those multimedia elements, and finally, how to convert this as a final video. That's what we are going to see today. And let's explore importing the media, editing the content, and exporting the video. Okay, let me straight away take you all. Dear professors, I'm taking you all to a browser. I'm in a browser. Just type Google. Sorry, how to convert this into video. Go to Google. Please go to Google and type Ice Cream Video Editor. Ice Cream Video Editor. Type Ice Cream Video Editor. Okay. Now click the first link that you get. Is my screen visible to you, dear professors? Is my screen visible to you, dear professors? The browser. Is the browser visible? If it is, yes, press 1. Thank you. Thank you. Because I face a network issue today, fluctuations are there. That's why I'm confirming every now and then to you. Yeah. First link is that Ice Cream Video Editor. Click on that. Click on that link. When you click on Ice Cream Video Editor, this comes. And immediately after that, yesterday I've given you the screen to download Ice Cream Video Editor, and the green button you will have to press and download. It is about 60 MB. The file is about exe file for installing video editor is about 60 MB. So click here and you must get the exe file and you will be able to download the file and keep it open. How many of you have downloaded? Professor, some of you have difficulty in installing this tool because if it is not up to compatibility or up to the level of accepting the software, sometimes you may have error. I'm sorry. You shall try tomorrow with some other tool. I'm sorry, Professor, because we cannot rectify it. Yeah. Is it still downloading? It is only 60 MB because of the network issues. Okay. You may listen to me, then you can just. Okay. Now tell me how many of you have completed downloading and keep the software ready. Press 2. Press 2. How many of you are ready with the software? Quite good number are ready with the software. Yeah, we will move on for that. Yes, many have got it ready. Okay, those professors who are on the move, who are getting ready for downloading, please do so. Until then, sir, we shall discuss later, sir. We shall discuss later, sir. Windows 10, 8.187, it will accept. Sometimes the graphics card, Professor Kumar, sometimes if the graphics card is not supported, if it is not compatible, then there may be problems, sir. Okay, sir. I'm very sorry, sir. You are one of the very enthusiastic participants. Sorry that you couldn't do it with right now, but let me check it right later if anything could be done. Okay, sir. Thank you. You can send me the configuration later. Yeah, thank you, sir. Sorry, sir. Right now I couldn't help you, sir. Kumar, sir, you are one of the very serious, sincere participant. Yes. Now look at here. I'm just typing ice cream video editor. You get this. You get this in your system and press open. Press open. Press open. And I am with ice cream video editor now. On the screen, you get ice cream video editor, right? On the screen, you get ice cream video editor. How many of you have got this window? How many of you have got this window? How many of you have got this window? Press 1. Okay, fine. You know, the tutorial that I have sent you, that explains you very simple manner. You will be able to make it very simple. Okay, so do it very sincere, in a simple manner, and the tutorial or the course material will help you a lot. Okay, dear professors, now look at here. This is the place. See, this is the place where my cards are. This is the place where we have all our media files. The media files means multimedia files like video, audio, text, the background, and everything can be placed here. This is called media library. Okay, media library. And this is the place where we see the preview of your editing. Preview of your editing. Whatever you edit, the preview can be seen from here. And this is the timeline. At the bottom, you see, a scale line. That is timeline. That is where we edit the audio, video, and other elements of multimedia. Have you understood the environment, dear professors? Have you understood? This is media library. This is where you see the profile, the video editing, the preview, and at the bottom you have the timeline. That is where we edit the video. Have you understood? Have you understood? Now one question. Where do you store your media files? Where do you store your media files? Can you answer me? Can I have your answer? Where do you store the media file? Quickly. Media library. Very good. Professor Rishi Sharma, you're very fast. Very good. Media library on the top, right. What about others? Can I have your response, dear professors? Maybe it is a big sentence, so typing may be difficult. Okay, I don't understand. Right. Dear professors, look at here. Yeah, thank you, professors. Thank you, Professor Bindu. Yeah. Now look at here. I'm going to bring few files. I'm going to bring few files. Look at here. No, Professor Dhanavendan is here. Media library should be here. I'm going to bring some new files to get ready with a simple project. So I want all of you to please open you bring your PPT file or screen captured file. Am I clear? Bring your PPT file or screen captured file. Okay, professors. Now look at here. I'm going to add. I click add files. I click add files. Click that. And you are taken to a library, a folder. Oh, so I just take whatever files necessary. See, I'm taking up this background file, college background file, and I go take up. Yeah, I'm taking up some of the images also. Look at here. I've taken. I just click here and take up. Okay. Logo. I'm taking up college logo also. So whatever that is necessary. For example, I would like to go for videos. So I would like to bring about a video on FreeCam, right? The video about FreeCam I have included, and this one, right? I have taken few pictures. See, I have taken few pictures. I have taken few pictures, and it is ready. Okay, this is picture file. This is also picture file. This is video file. This is video file. Okay. Now I would like to take up music file. I just click add file and go to the place where the music is available. I have downloaded the music, so I've got the music. So I have added a music file, video file, and other things. Okay. Now what do I do? Look at here. Professors, look at here. I'm going to start dragging the files one by one. For example, see, I just click and drag the logo of the college. Look at here. I just click that and drag it and put it here, place it here. You will have to drag and place it here. Okay, I placed it here. I drag and place it here. Okay, dear professors, you can play this and see. Drag and place it here. Am I clear to you, dear professors? Now look at here. You got this logo and it is available. Now, how many of you are you all doing it along with me? Professors, are you all doing it along with me? I have taken video files only. Any other files? Yeah, please take image files. Take a music file. Take image files. Take music files. So, have you taken, professors? Those who have done it, press 1. Those who have done uploading your files by clicking add. See here, add files here. Take some image files. Take video file. Take a music file. Have you have done? Yes. Finished. Fine. Fantastic. Now look at here. Look at here carefully. Look at here at the bottom. I have this small button at the bottom of this picture. Do you see that small button? Click that. Click that. When you click that, you have option. Look at here, blurred bars. When I click the blurred bars, what happens? Around this icon, there is a blurred bars available. Okay. So when I click no bar, see what happens? No bar. Only the icon is available. Okay. The logo is available. Again, I'm clicking that small box at the bottom, rectangle box, and you get black bars. See? The black bars around. I click this and custom crop. We can crop it. We can crop the image and make it simple or smaller. Right now, I would like to go for blurred bars. See, I just go for blurred bars. So that around this, there is a blurring that takes place. Shall I explain you the same with again another picture? So I drag another picture. Click this and drag this picture and put it here. Okay. See, I have placed another picture. I have placed another picture. And here also, this picture also, I can bring it and I can do the same. Look at here. For example, at the bottom here, 1 minute, let me apply the transitions. For example, I have these two pictures. Between those two pictures, I can apply transition. Which transition means one frame to the other frame. The transition, one frame to the other frame. Right. The plus symbol, look at here. Whenever you have two or more clips, in between the clips, you can apply transitions. Transition means one switching over to one frame to the other frame. Just click this plus symbol. Are you able to see this plus symbol? When I click this plus symbol, list of things are available. So I can choose any of these. For example, I just choose this. Okay. Now see what happens. Play this and see. There is a small play button is there and you can play this and see. See? Do you see that? Do you see it? Do you understand the process? Have you got it? Do you understand the transition? Now once again, let me make it. I would like to change that. Click again there. Click again there. And click at slide. See, for example, spin 180. I'm just choosing spin 180. Now play and see. See here. After this logo, see, it rotates and comes. This is what we call by transitions. Have you applied transitions, dear professors? Have you applied transitions? Can I have your response? Have you applied transitions? Have you applied transition, professors? How many of you have got it? Press 2. If you have got it, press 2. Press 2. Press 2. Okay. Many of you have got it. Very good. Very good, dear professors. Very good. Great of you. It is merging. Yes. Yes, sir. Yeah. Transition like in PowerPoint. Yes, professor. Yes. Similarly. One frame to the other frame. Yeah. You're right. Fine. Now look at here. See, this picture is with full screen. So I don't have the option for, see, as I had it here. If it is not a full picture, it will automatically ask for blurred bar and this option will be there at the bottom. Now let me try with another picture. I go to add files and I choose a file. For example, RC. I'm just taking up this picture. I'm dropping this picture. Look at here. Look at here. I've dropped this picture At the bottom, you have this option. Click that option, and you have black bar. Black bar means, look at here. At the both side, black color comes. And blurred bar means, look at here. The blurring effect on two sides that comes. And third one, no bar means only the picture is stretched. Picture is stretched. Okay. And finally, you can custom crop. You can click here and you can crop. See here, you can adjust and crop the file. For example, see, I just want to keep it here. Crop. Okay, dear professors. You can click done. See, it is cropped. If I go again, I can even go for black bars, blurred bars. Okay, have you got it? You got these two options, adjusting the layout and the transitions. How many? If you have any clarification, you are welcome to make it. If you have any clarification up to this, do you have any clarification up to this? If no, press 2. If no, press 2. If yes, press 1. Do you have any clarification, dear professors? Professors, if you have any clarification, you are welcome to make it. If no, press 2. Only 2 people. What about others? Do you have clarifications? Okay, many. Yeah, thank you. Now look at here, dear professors. I'm just making a move. Now I have selected this file. See, for example, I'm selecting this file. I'm selecting this icon. Now, when I select this icon, look at here, general. General is there. Click that. Click general. When I click general, you have option for brightness. Look at here. See, I can increase the brightness. See, it is so bright. And I can decrease the brightness. See, look at here, I can decrease the brightness or I can increase the brightness. Okay. And contrast. See, I can increase the contrast also. Look at here. It looks better. Okay. And saturation. Saturation means, see, for example, you more color and when you lower it and the color becomes saturated. Look at here, more colorful now. More thicker color. And hue means it changes the color. Look at here. It changes the different colors. Hue. It changes to different colors. Okay, until or otherwise you like, otherwise you need not to keep this. And you can go for auto color adjustments. When you click here, automatically the color is adjusted. Auto color. The color is adjusted automatically. Okay, dear professors, this color is adjusted automatically, right? This is auto color. And you have option to rotate the video. Look at here, you can rotate it. See, you can rotate. You can also rotate this way. See, you can rotate. And flip. For example, you can turn this side. See, for example, if you have building, you can turn the building. See, you can also make it upside down. Okay, all these options are available. Once after adjusting, if you don't like, so what can you do? You can reset to default. Click here and it will be resetted default. You can click here and it will be reset by default. Okay, dear professors, have you got it up to general? Have you all got it up to general? Press 1. If you have understood, press 1. If you have understood, press 1, dear professors. If you have understood, press 1. Yes. Yes. Thank you, dear professors. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you all. Now I'm moving on to duration. Now I'm moving on to duration. Look at here. I'm just clicking duration. When I click duration, you get 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, and 6 seconds. So if you want to apply, if you want this picture to, how long it should appear in the video. If you want it to appear for 2 seconds, you can appear it for 2 seconds. If you want to make it appear for more than 6 seconds, see here, 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, and 6 seconds by default. If you like to increase, you can increase it by just increasing this now. See, I can increase. For example, 7 seconds, I have kept 7 seconds. If you want to apply to all the frames, you can apply to all the frames. See, it will apply for all of the frames. When I take this picture also, it will be for 7 seconds only. For example, I just click here, go to duration. See, it is 7 seconds only. Okay, dear professors, have you got this duration? So duration is the one which makes the picture or clip staying in the video for how many seconds. It is not applicable for video. It is not applicable for video. It is applicable for only images, right? Okay, fine. How many of you have understood? Have you understood, dear professors? Have you understood duration? So I just would like to know slowly. Have you understood duration? Vishnu Sankar sir, is it syncing, sir, whatever I speak, or latency is there? The delay is there.
Okay, sir. No problem, sir. No problem.
Whatever that I show you directly comes there, sir.
Yes, sir. It is visible, sir. We are. It is visible in the screen, sir. Yes.
Follow it up, no? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, dear participants also. Thank you, Vishnu sir. Now look at here. I'm taking you to motion. Motion is something called animation. Click here and you get lot of, motion are available. Only limited, not lot of, limited. Look at here, there are around 8. Now I just click here. Now let me see. Zoom out center. See, zoom in center. See what happens. I play this. See, are you able to see that? See, it is slowly moving. Are you able to see that? Slowly it is coming up. Okay, that is what we call by, motion. For example, I take up this picture. This picture is not moving. I just stop. This picture is not moving. So what should I do? I click motion and take up anything. For example, see, I just click here. Now let us play. See here, do you see that? Slowly it is coming from the top. So you can move this from anywhere that you want. For example, I just click here. I click motion and click something else. For example, zoom out right. See here. See, look at the picture. See, it slowly moves out from the right. Okay. You can clearly select whichever motion that you like very much. For example, I just would like to go zoom in center. I would like to go for zoom in center. And next picture, see here, there is a plus symbol. So I just click the plus. I don't want it, so I delete it. I don't want it, I delete it. Now what do? I want to add. Now listen carefully. So you can fix the logo, you can fix the picture, and you can also put the text. Okay, you can put the text. Now how do I place my text? I want to place my image, photograph. So I want to bring my photograph. I click add files and go to my photograph. I go to take up my photograph. You add your photograph. So I'm adding my picture. I just bring it here. So my picture is here. Now what do? I want to crop my picture. How do I crop my picture? Now go to, see here, look at here. Crop is here. Crop. Click crop option. Now look at here. Scale to fit in means automatically it is fit. Now crop. I go for crop option. Now what do? Look at here. I can take it only till this. Okay. I can take it only till this because it crops only proportionately all the sides. Okay, I can crop. Or if I want a little more, yeah, I can do it. Yes, I press that. Okay. See, I have cropped it. Now I have added. Now how do I give a transition? I click the plus symbol and give the transition. Transition fade to white or cross zoom or spin or bounce. So I just use bounce. Look at here. Let me play this. See, once after this, look at here. This comes a bounce, right? Bounce effect. Now I want to animate this. How do I? Where is the option? How do I make this animated? How do I make this picture animated? What option that gives me animating this picture or this image? Can you tell me what object that helps me to animate this picture? Can you tell me, professors? What option to make this picture animated? Motion. I just click the motion after selecting the picture. Now go anywhere and you can see. See, I just play this. Look at here. Slowly it moves. Okay. Right? Okay, fine. Now what do? I just would like to add text. I just click here. Look at here. I have selected this portion. I just select the text. Click the text. Click the text and select whichever text that you like very much. For example, I would like to go for this one. Berry. I just type here. See, look at here. I'm just typing. Okay. I want to keep the letter at the bottom. So how do I bring the letter at the bottom? Look at here. Bottom. There is an option bottom. If you want to keep it on the top, you can keep it on the top. Look at here. Only bottom is better. Or if you want to keep it in the corner, you can keep it or anywhere. Okay. If you don't like, you can choose some other. For example, look at here. You can choose something else. See? Okay. You can choose any style that you like very much. Okay. Okay, dear professors. Look at here. All these styles that you like very much. Okay. Do you like this? So I would like to go for this. Okay, dear professors. If you want, you can increase the text also. For example, Richie. Okay, you can decrease the text size. Look at here, I can decrease the text size. Okay, I can decrease the text size. See? Okay, dear professors. Have you got it? How to add text, dear professors? Can you just make it? I just click done, and the speed also, text speed also. See, if you make it small, slow, and the text movement will come slowly. After doing everything, see, look at here. This is position. This is where you type, and these are the styles. Okay, dear professors. And after applying, press done. See, you get this. For example, look at here. Slowly. Okay, dear professors. Now the transition is gone. The text transition is gone. Okay. Up to this, I want you to do it. Up to this, I want you to do this. Do this on your own right now. So you bring your logo of the college. You bring a picture of the college. You bring your picture and put your name. Okay. And let me tell you the remaining later. Just go ahead. Go ahead, dear professors. I give you 2-3 minutes, dear professors, to have hands-on experience. If you have any clarification, you can switch on the mic and ask. If you have any clarification till this. Professors, if you have any clarification, you are welcome to make it. You can raise your hand. I shall unmute you. You yourself can unmute and talk. Professors, I give you time. Finished. Yeah, very good. Very good, Professor Bindu Mohan. Is it easy? Is it simple? Is it simple, dear professors? Is it simple? Finished. Okay, very good. Those who have completed, press 1. Those who have completed, press 1. Finished. Very good. You are all so much faster than me. Very nice of you. Yes, dear professor. Very nice of you. 1 minute, just hold on for a moment. I just connect my dear participants, I'm back. Sorry for the inconvenience caused in between. And now I wanted to connect my charger. That's why. Now look at here, dear professors. Thank you. So welcome. Like TV, short commercial break, short power break it is. Not commercial break, power break. Right. Now, dear professors, now I would like to show you yet another thing. It's called filter. For example, I just click this picture. Look at here. Look at the filter. Click filter. I can apply any of this filter. For example, look at here. When I click here, see. Okay. Now I set to default. See, fish eye. Fish eye means the video will become like fish eye. Okay. Or the picture. Now black and white. Look at here. I just convert it into black and white. Now look at here. I just click it blurred. Blur. For example, for a particular part, if you want to blur, you can blur it. See, pixel it. See, for example, some portion of the video you want to pixel it. For example, maybe victims. If you are talking about victims, if you are talking about women, if you're talking about children in the video. So if a victim is found in the video, so you can pixel it, right? This is okay. See, look at here, tilting. Tilting means shaky effect. And look at here, telescopic. See, for example, the motion. And look at here, this one. See, look at here. Are you able to get it? See, these are a vintage, the olden days picture. See, look at here, old movie, sepia color, watercolor. Okay. Okay, dear professors, these are all variety of styles which are available. If you like, you can apply it. Otherwise, reset to default. Click reset to default. I have clicked reset to default. Okay, dear professors. So far, we have done with adding pictures and related. Now we are going to add the title of your presentation, title of your e-content. Okay, dear professors, how to add the title of the e-content? Now click add color. Click add color. When I click add color, you can choose any of these background. Okay, for example, I would like to choose this multicolor background and add. See, I have added. It is here. Drag it and place it here. Drag it and place it here. Now you can also fix transitions. Click here, file transition, and you can go for transitions. For example, I just choose this transition. Look at here, I just play this and show you. See the play here. Look at here, I just play this from, see here. Okay, do you get it? Now I want to bring the text here. Just click here and text, click the text and click this and go for the text. For example, what is the video that you're going to bring? For example, e-content on, or some title of your presentation. Now let me check what is the title, what is the video here. Now let me play this and check what is the video that I'm going to. A very good morning to you all, dear professors. I welcome you all for the demonstration on creating. Okay, now it is GIF making. The e-content is on GIF making. So what do? I just click this picture, the frame, color frame, and click the text, and I just make it demonstration on GIF making. Demonstration. Sorry. Demonstration on GIF making. So I'm just adding the title. I wanted to in the center. I just wanted to bring it in the center. I can choose whichever color that I want. See here, I can choose. I can increase the size also. Look at here, I can increase the size also. Okay, I can increase the size. Am I clear? I have given the, see, I can also click anything. See. Okay, you can choose. Okay, shall we have this? Okay, this is better, or this one, or this one. You can have anything that you like very much, you can have. Okay, this is better. Now I just click done. Okay, click done. And you can also change the text color also. Look at there on the top. I can make the text color. See, I want to make the text color as yellow color. See, look at here. See, on the top, the text color is here. So I have given the title. So I have given the title, then the video comes. Look at here, the video comes. Okay, the video comes. Now, how do I transition? I add transition like page turn. I just like page turn. I have given the transition, and I can also fix this. Look at here, black bars. If I want to have black bars on the top, or see, look at here at the beginning, at the bottom. Blurred bars. Blurred bar means at the bottom and top and the bottom. If you want, you can go for it. Otherwise, you need not fix this. So I have fixed everything. Now, how do I increase the volume? Look at here. When I bring audio, when I bring video, see, audio is also here. I just click audio. Click there. Click audio, and you can increase the volume. Look at here. I can increase the volume to the higher level. See, I can increase the volume to higher level. Okay, dear professors. Okay, dear professors, I have increased the volume to higher level. Now, listen. To you all, dear professors. I welcome you all for the demonstration on creating. Now it is very mild. Now I just making you to now see here the demonstration. Go to Google and type GIF making. GIF making. Now type GIF making in Google. Now the fade in fade out means starting slowly and ending slowly. That is what we call by fade in fade out. How many seconds should it be there? Start slowly, and it's not a music file, so you need not go for fading and fade out. Okay, original sound should be there. And look at here, audio effect. If you want to go for echo effect, look at here. I just click echo effect. Now listen carefully. GIF making. The first link that I get is at gif.com. Maker. GIF making. Type GIF making, and the first link that you get is gif. Get that effect? Do you get that effect? Do you get that effect? That is audio effect, but it won't be good. See, if you have some announcement, if you have something, it's okay. Demonstration, it won't be good. If you have one announcement to the students, you can give echo effect can be there, right? And look at here, you also have effect of robotic voice.
Oh, I get that. When I click this, straight away
You get that?
to this page. Here, I will have to add.
You get the volume?
This. that will be converted into.
Professor, do you get the volume of?
So I just click choose image, choose files, and go to my desktop.
Do you get the volume of? Professor, do you get the volume of?
Update.
Madam, fourth image. What is that, madam?
I've got some images.
Madam, Professor Revati, what do you mean by that fourth image?
That color fourth one, sir. You are added some jib making, right? Fourth one. How to add that?
Yeah, I will tell
After
you.
your picture.
Yeah, I will
No, sir.
tell you.
Next drop on another, I can't able to catch you.
Okay. No, I will explain, madam. Don't worry. I was wondering
Sorry,
what is the
sir.
fourth image.
Sorry, sir.
No problem. You are welcome, madam. I am here to explain. I am here to demonstrate only. You are welcome always. Okay. Yeah. Now look at here. Process. Have you all got this audio effects? Have
Yes,
you
sir.
all understood audio effects? All of you?
Yes, sir.
All of you. I want everyone to respond, please. If you have understood, press 1. Audio. Increasing the volume, increasing fade in, fade out, and audio effects. If you want to have audio effects, you can have audio effect. No effect, no effect. Okay, dear professors. Now, madam asked me once again, look at here. I just explained her. I just delete this, madam, and doing it newly. Now, look at here, professors. I just take on the top. Professor Revati, please look at it on the top. Add color is there. Look at here. Add color. Click that, and you can take any of these colors. Okay, for example, this color is here, and this color is here. Any color that you like. For example, I have chosen this color or this color. Okay, I have chosen this color. Now, click add. When you click add, it is here. Okay, and drop it here. Drop it here in between. For example, here I have kept. Okay, madam. Now, what do? I just want to add the title here for this frame. So I just click text.
Okay, sir. After
And
that, I know, sir. Thank you.
yeah, in the text you can just click as GIF making. Demonstration on GIF making. Demonstration on GIF making. Okay, I have clicked. Now the color is not good, so I would like to go for red color. See, on the top you have color. Click that and choose some color. Choose some color, some green color or maybe dark green. That will be better. So I have chosen dark green. Now look at here, dark green color that has come. If you want to change the color into red color, see, you can also go for red color. See, red color that has come. Okay, professor, have you got it? Now press done, and it will be there into this. Now I've given everything. If you want to have animations, you can fix animations. How do you fix animations? You can fix the animation there itself. I've told you. Now look at here. Now I'm come to video. Now I've told you how to split the video. Now look at here, how to split the video. Click here. When I click here, splitting. See, I can split the video. For example, right now there is no. For example, I just go to trim. Click trim. When I click trim on the yellow color now, both the sides. Look at here, this side and this side. If I want to reduce this side, see, I can crop like this. See, for example, first 10 seconds I don't want, so I can crop it. And the last 10 seconds I don't want. See, I can crop it. See, I can crop it like this. Okay, dear professors, you can crop it from beginning at the end, not in between. So how do you edit a video? See, full-fledged video, wherever you want, you cannot cut. So you'll have to either make it from the beginning or from the end. Okay, dear professors, that is how you can proceed with trimming the video. Am I clear to you, dear professors? Okay, you can trim the video like this, from the beginning and from the end. I just want you to just try, go for trimming. Professors, I just would like to try, go for trimming. Just from the beginning, you will have to move this yellow color now. You will have to make a move of yellow color now. Professor Rusi Sharma, click and drag the color. Click and drag the color. Yeah. I just want you to have experience of trimming. Please go ahead. I just want you all to have trimming, experience of trimming quickly. Anybody else, professors? Have you done it, professors? If you have experience, press 2. If you have experienced, press 2. Done. Very good. Now, at the end of this presentation, along with me, I want you to present. At the end, I want you to present, because you have added a video that you have done with either PPT or screen capturing. I want you to please do it. Right. Done. Okay, now I don't want it. Look at here, I don't want it. I just keep it back. I just keep it in the original place. So just drag that yellow color. See, I can keep it in the original place and please press done. Okay, press done. I come back. Now, dear professors, I have added all the images. Now I would like to add thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. That is the title that I would like to add. How do I add? Look at here. How do I add? And one more information, dear professors, look at here. I have selected this video. The professors, please carefully note it. I have selected this video. I want to split this into two. Split into two parts. Wherever you want to split, see, keep it in the place. For example, I want it into two pieces. Now look at it so that I can give some transition. Look at here. I can give some transition. See here, I can give some transition. Okay, I can give some transition from this one to this one. So I just keep it here and split. Look at here, split option is here. Split. So I get one more. Okay, I have splitted the video into two pieces. So I can add transition. I have added transition. I have added transition, right? And I have chosen this one. And from here also I want to split. See here, I just keep it here and split into two. See, I just split. Now I add transition. Okay, I have added transitions. Look at here, I have added transition. Now from here I would like to go and yeah. Now look at here. Here I would like to go for transitions. Okay. Now so I just use split option. Another frame has come. So I'm splitting one by one. Wherever I want, I can drag and keep it and split it. And press and I just go for, yeah, I have added. Now I would like to go split once again. I just go here and make GIF. From here, I would like to split. Okay, from here, I would like to split. I have clicked split. Now I just click here and do some, yeah, I have done. So I have done four things, right? Four splits I have done in the video. One clip I have done 4 splits. Okay, so you can keep it here wherever you want. Exactly, just move the knob on the top in the preview window and split it. Okay, okay, we have splitted and we have added transitions. Now what do I do, dear professors? I would like to add the end note. Thank you. Thank you. So what should I do? I have to add color. Please click add color and choose any of the colors. For example, I would like to choose this one or choose this black one, black color. I would like to choose this black color, press add. See here, it is here. Now drag it and place it here. Drag it and place it here. Okay, I have placed it here. Now I'm going to add a text here. Look at your text is here. Click the text and just take it as thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Okay, thank you for watching. Now I just make the letter simple, small one, small. Okay, I have taken into small. Okay, thank you for watching. Now I want to make it in a white color or yellow color. So I go for yellow color. Look at here. I just go for yellow color. It looks nice. Now see here. Now I would like to give, add transition. Press done and apply transition. For example, I have applied transition. Okay, everything is done. Now everything is done. Now I would like to add music for the entire clip, entire video. Okay, I would like to add music for the entire video. If you already have the music, please don't bring it. If your video has already music, don't bring it. Now I would like to bring this music. The music is here. Drag the music. Drag it and place it here. See, I just place it here. I can place it here, right? And I just take it until, see here, look at your audio. Click on the audio and loop audio means what? Loop audio means until end of the clip. Until end of the clip. Again and again it will play. See, for example, if the video is for 5 minutes and the music is for 3 minutes and remaining 2 minutes of the video, you can press this loop. So the same music will play again and again. Okay, that's what we call by loop audio. Okay, dear professors. Now, of course, see this one can be made mild. Look at here, I just made mild. Now I just play this and see. I can make it little more mild. Okay, I have made it mild. And fade in. See, look at here, I just fade in for 7 seconds, fade out for 7 seconds or 8 seconds. Press done. That's all. Now can I just play this and see from the beginning? Look at here, dear professors. I'm starting from the beginning and play this with full screen. Look at here. Is it visible to you? Look at the video that we have done. Slowly it moves. A very good morning to you all, dear professors. I welcome you all for the demonstration on creating GIF animation. I'm taking you to the demonstration. Go to Google and type GIF making. GIF making. GIF making in Google. When I click GIF making, the first link that I get is ezgif.com. Maker. GIF making, type GIF making, and the first link that you get is ezgif.com. I click that. When I click this, straight away I'm taken to this page. Here, I go to the end. Okay, let me not waste time. Look at here at the end. Look at here. Thank you. So once after completing, what should you do? Okay, dear process. Now here, thank you. No, thank you. See, I want to cut exactly at thank you. Look at here. See, here so once after complete, with thank I want to complete. I want to cut that video. So I want to cut. Thank you. Cut here. See, I just use split option. See, I just use split option. Okay, now the length is, for example, see, totally I have got 10 scenes. Totally I have got 10 scenes. So it doesn't permit me. Okay, totally I have got 10 scenes. It doesn't permit me. So because I will have to go for paid version. Okay, okay, dear professors. Now once again, let me make it. I just click split. When I click upgrade to paid version, then it will you will have to pay. So it will allow you to have 10 files only, 10 frames only. Okay, so accordingly, please see that, don't split too much. Okay, at the end I can easily cut it. Now I want to trim it. So 2.54. I use trim option. I go for trim option. See here 2.54. 2.54. I want to trim here up to 2.54. Look at here. 2.24 of it. Yeah. Yeah. I just play and see. Make a GIF. I just click insert. Look at here. I just have this line, moving. See, I have created a GIF animation. Now, see, I move this little bit. Make a GIF. See, I have created a GIF animation. Thank you. Till this, it should come. Okay, now it's okay. It's okay now. Now, thank you. GIF animation. Thank you. I got this. Okay, press done. So the video is automatically trimmed. Okay, so you will have to make a move. Now the video is done. How do you convert it as video? So once after doing it, how do you convert this as video? Please carefully note it, dear professors. How do you convert this as video? Now look at your process. I'm going to tell you very important things. Please carefully note it. I want you all to note it carefully. Until this, have you all understood? Professors, until this, have you all understood? Professors, until this, have you all understood?
So for me, not able to add music, sir.
What happened, madam? What is the difficulty that you have, madam? You tell me the problem issue exactly. Any option is wrongly from video like
not able to
redo
add
option
the
is there. That's what is it? You are not able to bring the music here or bring it.
I have downloaded the music icon, sir, but not able to add in the music.
So you are not able to add in the ice cream video editor.
Yes,
Sir,
and
ma'am, that may be because we would have already have music in our video. I
Okay.
too have tried, but it's not working. So if there is video music in our video, it won't get attached.
Otherwise, you just check if it is MP3, madam. MP3. You will have to check whether the file format is proper, madam.
Okay, sir.
Madam,
Okay, sir.
just try with another file and click here and drag it, madam. Okay, madam, you'll be able to bring it.
Okay,
It is not
sir.
that because your file has got music. No, not because of that. Check the compatibility. So some music file may not be compatible. So try bringing the music from. I told you on the other day. Did you try that bend sound, madam? Did you try bend sound, madam? Madam, did you try Ben Sound? Did you all try Ben Sound, dear participants?
Yes, I got it, sir.
Yeah. Free music, yeah. Yeah, I will tell you. Ben Sound, it is Ben Sound. It is Ben Sound. I will tell you. Now, I will tell you important things, then we will move ahead. Now, look at your process. On the top, you got the frame size. Usually, this is the default frame. 16:9 is the widescreen frame size, and that will be better for e-content. So, I request you to be with that. That is a better e-content. That is a better for e-content. Okay, please enable that. Okay, by default, it is there. If you want to change it, for example, click here. You got other portion 4.3, 9.16, 3.4, 1.1 Instagram. If you want to have a post for Instagram, you can have it. So like this, there are a lot of options are there. You can choose any of this. Suggest some background music because music is dominant. Madam, I told you, no, please download it from Ben Sound. Please download it from Ben Sound. Ben Sound, there is, I told you on the other day. I don't know how many of you have tried Ben Sound. I've told you on the other day, how many of you, even now, I will tell you, www.bensound.com. Okay, from here, you just choose the better mild music and make it milder. Make it milder. Look at here. See, when I click this audio, look at here, audio is here. Click that and make it very mild. Look at here. I have kept only 15%. So make it slowly reduce it. Okay, when you reduce it, then it will be all right. Okay, dear professors, can you make it? If you reduce it, then you will be able to make it. Okay. Now on the top, this is where you fix the frame. By default, it is 16:9 on the top. Keep as it is. That will be better. And finally, if you want to convert your file into a beautiful video, click export. Click export. When I click export, now carefully note it, dear professors, I click export and give you a name here. Give you a name of the project. For example, Ice Cream Video 1. I just make it as Ice Cream Video 1. Okay. And where do you want to store it? Just click the folder. Where do you want to store? I want to store it in RRC folder. See here, I just click the folder. Okay. So folder is chosen. And format, video format. What format you want? It is better you always go for MP4. Don't go for WebM and MP3. This is for websites. This is for websites. Okay, I just go for MP4. Okay, I have clicked MP4. And next one, the quality by default it is HD. Okay, choose HD. Don't go for full HD because HD, please understand, HD means 1280 into 720 pixels. Pixel means grains in square per square inch. Per square inch, how many pixels? How many grains? That can make colors. See, if you increase the number of pixels, then the quality of the video will be very good. Okay, for example, if you want to increase, click here. You can go for ultra. Ultra means the quality of the video, ultra. And here, if you go full HD, look at your full HD is here. Full HD. Full HD means 1920 into 1080. And the size of the video that we make is very huge. It will be very huge file. It will be, and the converting time also will be huge. So for time being, I go for HD. Look at your HD. HD itself is enough. Full HD will take long time, right? Okay. Now qualities I have made ultra. I go for high quality. And immediately after setting all these parameters, you will have to press export. Okay, dear professors, I just click export. Okay, have you got this nuances? I just press export. See here, now it will slowly convert this into a video. It will take time. If you are making a video for 10 minutes, it will take 10 minutes. If you are making a video for 1 hour, it will take 1 hour. So it will take time based on the duration of video that you have made. Okay, so accordingly you can make it. You have to patiently wait until this video is converted fully as a full-fledged video. Okay, dear professors. Now I would like to take up some queries. Yeah, don't worry, Professor Abhirami. We will share you the recorded session. We will share with you the recorded session, and the tutorial is also available. You can make it tutorials available, you can make it. Now, dear professors, almost it is done. If you have any major clarifications or any clarification, even not major, anything, any clarification, you can ask me. See, I will play you until it is converted. Okay, dear professors, once again, let me make it. This ice cream video editor, a very, very simple video editor that will help you to make a simple e-content. Okay, with simple editing features. Okay, dear professors. Thank you. It is a very, very simple one. It's a very simple one. You will be able to easily make videos, easily make e-content. Okay. Thing is that you just add the icon of your college or introductory video of the college, and you add your video, picture, your picture, and give your maybe designation, Dr. So and so, which college you are from, and so on, and give the title of the video or e-content. Then bring the e-content originally, then split it to different frames, add some contents, but make sure, see here, now it is done. Process, now it is done. The video is done. Now the video is done. Look at here, process. Once after creating the video, I can upload it directly to Google Drive. Look at here. I can upload it directly to Google Drive or YouTube or Dropbox. Dropbox is also one. Yesterday, one of the participants, last class, one of the participants was asking me that how do I store my videos? See, this is also one of the options. You can store the file in Dropbox also, or YouTube or Google Drive. Right now, I directly open the video and show you. I click open the folder. Now look at here. This is what the video that we have made with Ice Cream Video Editor. Look at here. I just play this full video. Are you able to listen to it? See, each one moves, no? Demon. A very good morning to you all, dear professors. I welcome you all for the demonstration on creating GIF animation. See, I'm taking you to. The video is very jarring. You know why? Because we have increased the volume to 300. So even the mild, the screech, the sound that you have mild one also will be very clear. So it is better you have 200, not more than 200. Okay, it's better. Now I play this video. Continue to play. The demonstration. See, go to Google and type look at here, GIF making. GIF making. GIF making in Google. When I click GIF making, the first link that I get is eisagif.com. Maker. GIF making, type GIF making, and the first link that you get is eisagif.com. I click that. When I click this, straight away I am taken to this page. Here I will have to add the pictures. That will be converted into a GIF image. Motion. So I just click choose image, choose files, and go to my desktop and find out the image. Files are here. Look at it. GIF. Automatically see the tiger the lion started moving. You get an illusion that the tiger here. I completed. I go to downloads and see that picture is here. I just click insert. Look at here. I just have this lion, moving. See, I have created a GIF animation. Thank you. Okay, dear professors. This is how you create simple videos using Ice Cream Video Editor. Okay, do you all enjoy this tool? This is a very, very simple tool. I want you to length of the video 10 minutes, sir. 10 minutes, Professor Rishi Sharma. If you want to go more than that, you will have to pay and get it. I hope 10 minutes video will be better. 10 minutes video will be far better. Okay. For e-content, 10 minutes will be better. So I request you all to create a beautiful e-content with titles and so on, with simple, you could have made a PowerPoint video editor, PowerPoint video, a screen capture video. So I want you to just try. This video is about 2 minutes, and it's about 3 minutes, exactly about 3 minutes. See how much space that it has consumed. Let me just check it and tell you the space that it has consumed. Totally about 161 MB. Totally about 161 MB. 3 minutes, just for 3 minutes, it is about 161 MB. If you were to make it for more than, if you are making it for full HD, then it will be much more. The quality will be much more, and the size will also be more. Okay, dear professors. Now, through this simple way, you will be able to make beautiful video. Today's assignment will be, you will have to make a e-content, simple e-content. You could have made an e-content with PPT or screen captured, but bring it here, add some styles or add some, transitions, animations, add some music and make it as a full-fledged video along with your logo of the college and your picture, text, everything. And finally, thank you for watching, and some note. You can give some note. Any quotation you can give, or anything that you can be creative. You can be creative. So all of you can try today itself and you can make it. Now over to you for clarification, if any. Today we had a very short session, 10 minutes. I shall give you a free time to go for clarifications. If you have no clarification, I shall go for giving you one more demonstration on downloading pictures or music or videos. Downloading a video. Professors, any clarification? Professors, any clarification? Any clarifications? Any clarifications here, professors? YouTube channel. Okay. Yeah, that can be done. If any clarification with this tool, clear. Okay, fine. Now I'll give you one more information about downloading videos. Look at here. Is my screen visible to you all? Is my screen visible to you all? Visible. Go to Google and type Pixabay. 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 Okay, type Pixabay. Pixabay. Okay, professor, Pixabay. Type Pixabay. Go here. I give you the link. Okay, professors. Now look at here. Here you can download free images. For example, I would like to bring an image, maybe background for a video or flower. Okay, lotus. I just want to bring lotus. Look at here. I just click lotus. You get very stunning images of lotus. Look at here. Beautiful images. See here. You can download it freely. Look at here. This of course, this image is available for payment. So I don't want it. Now I click this. This is for free. Look at here. This is for free. This image is for free. Okay, you can download this. Free download. Look at here. See, some images when you have watermark, it is not free. But some images, look at here, stunning images. And I go back. Now this is about downloading photos. Okay. Now videos. How do I download videos? Look at here. I just click here and click videos. Click videos. When I click videos, look at there. There are beautiful videos are here. You can take up any that you like very much. For example, I want to go for change some other video. Maybe about the rose garden, or maybe train, anything, or flight, or background video. I just click background video. Look at here, some background videos. Okay, dear process. Now look at here, world disco. So I just choose this. Let me see if it is downloadable, free. Yeah, look at it, it is available for free of cost. Look at your process. It is available for free of cost. Okay, shall I download it? I just click and download. Process, I click and download. Now I download. See, the highest version I'm downloading. Highest version I'm downloading. I click and download. See, downloaded. Now what do I do? Many of you are asking me, how do you set the background like this? See, I have downloaded a video. Now I am going to tell you how to set this as a background. Now go to new file, new blank presentation. Blank presentation. Okay, dear process, please carefully noted, blank presentation. Go to insert. Go to insert. Click video. Click video and click this device. I have downloaded a video. No, see here I have downloaded a video. I click here and insert. See, the video comes. It is available fully. Now what do? I have to keep anything that I want. For example, I go to insert and take up. Look at here. I take up this text box and type. For example, this A.V. Maljarol, or for example, e-content development workshop on professional development program on e-content. Okay, dear process. See, I've given the title. Okay, I've given the title. I keep the title on the top. I make it bigger. Okay. I just take this text as yellow color so that it is available, visible. Okay, I made it yellow and I keep it here. Likewise, you can keep it and you can move it. You can animate it. For example, look at here. I'm just going to animate it. Go to click animations and add animation. You can see I'm zooming it again and again. Now I want it to come very slowly, so I increase the duration. And I want it to come again and again. Look at here. Text box is here. Click that. Effect option. Timing. Repeat until end. Okay, click here and it will come again and again. Look at here. Now I just go here. Look at here. This comes and automatically this also comes. Okay, I want to set this as a background. Now, how do I set this? How do I convert this as a video? We know the trick of converting this as video. Go to file, go to file, go to export, create video, and keep it as model background in the desktop. Model background. Look at your model background. Okay, model background. I keep it. I am converting this as a video. I'm converting this as video. Look at here. It is being converted to this video. And once after conversion, automatically this video can be set at the background. Okay, dear professors, you can be creatively setting the background by downloading your own any video that you can bring. Any video. There are so many nice videos are available here. Look at here. So many beautiful videos are available. Look at here. It is available for, see here this video. See, you can keep this one. Many videos are available. Okay, you can use it. All are very much stunning images. Look at here. Good, no? So you can click and see whether it is free first of all. If you are able to give freely download, then you can download it. For example, I just click this. I click this. Look at here, free download. See, you have the option free download. You can play and see. You can play this and see how does it look like. See here. See. Okay, professors, let me check whether the video has been converted. Yeah, the video has been converted. Now what do? I go back. Dear professors, to my zoom option. In the control palette, I just go to control palette. Look at here, I just go to control palette. See here, professors, please carefully note it. I go to control palette in the bottom. Go to the video icon. Choose virtual background. And click. Look at here, I just click add video and take that video that we have done. It is in the desktop. I go to the desktop and add the video. Now look at here, professors. Look at here. Are you able to see me? The logo at the bottom. Okay, dear professors, have you got it? Can you make this like this? Professors, have you all got it? Professors, have you got it? Professors, can I have your response? So like this, yeah, please try your own video and make it. Try your own. Okay. Now, finally, now I request the organizer. Now this is optional. So you can, yeah. Now my concentration is very poor. I'm not able to. Yeah, please, Professor.
Very good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, madam. Professor Devanand, Dhanavendan, sir.
Ruchi
you can
Sharma.
just avail the, yeah, 1 minute, madam. You can avail the recorded session. Don't worry. Yeah, Ruchi Sharma, madam. Yes, madam. Yeah, tell me, madam.
Sir, I am unable to download that ice cream video that into my Google Drive. Then any other place where we can save that?
That's what Google Drive, YouTube, Dropbox. There are 3 options I told you.
But if it is not doing it, then I can cancel it, and then again I will have to export the video.
No. It will be there. See, I would suggest you to export it in the local disk first, then upload it in Google Drive or YouTube. Okay, madam?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you asked for a query, no?
If I am unable to do so, then the video will be deleted, or it will be saved somewhere in this ice cream type.
Your video will be there, madam. Your
library.
video, madam. Look at here. Your video will be there. Look at here. Look at here.
Okay.
For example, look at here. I close this, madam. I go to my project. Look at here. Go to my project, and it is
Okay.
there. Look at here. Look at here. It is there. It is there. You can save it. You can save this.
Okay.
For example, you save this. For example, today RRC video. You can save this, madam. It is there. Go to my project. You can save it. At any time, you can open this and edit it. See the previous editor, previous work that I have done. Okay, madam. You can edit it always. Go to my project and it will be there. Okay. It will be there. Always it will be available and you can edit it. Now the question that you asked for, editing, madam. Now the question that you have asked for, the video editing. I mean the YouTube channel creation. Now I shall tell you. Now go to
Yes.
go to Google Chrome. Go to Google Chrome and go to YouTube. Go to YouTube. Go to YouTube.
Okay, sir.
Go to YouTube, and right now I have my channel, so it takes me directly. Now I go to switch over the account, some other account. Okay, I'm just going to some other account. For example, I have selected this account. Look at here, I have selected this. Now look at here, this is a new account. How do I, for example, if you are doing it for the first time, it will be like this for you. Just click that DP, profile picture on the top. Okay, profile picture on the top. And once you click there is an option create channel. Look at your create channel. Create channel. Do you see that? Create channel. And click that option create channel. You will be able to have this channel name. See, you will have to give the channel name here. You will have to give the channel name here and upload the photo and create channel. That's all. Your channel is created. That's all. Simple step. That's all.
Okay.
Once after your channel is created, look at here. There is a create option. Create plus symbol. Click that and you can upload your video. That's all. Very simple process of uploading video also. Okay, Professor? Just try this. Create and try this. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
My pleasure. Any other? Thank you, Professor, for the compliments. Any other clarification? You can unmute and ask me, Professor. Any other clarification, dear Professor? You can unmute and ask me. Any other clarification, dear Professor? Professors, would you like to have any other clarifications? Okay.
Sir, excuse me, I am Gayatri.
Okay.
Dr. Gayatri
Yes,
from
Professor.
Congrats.
Yes,
Sir, I am
Professor.
having a doubt. Sir, in this video, ice cream video editor, when you are using more than one file, can we fix different landscape for each file? I think I couldn't do it, so that I'm asking.
No, madam, you have to split the files into different pieces. Only then you will be able to make. Okay, madam.
Sorry,
You are
sir?
meaning different landscaping cannot be done, madam. You see, the thing is that you have to split. You have to split the video into different pieces and make it. You can definitely make it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'm adding
Madam,
different files, sir.
That's what, madam.
But I couldn't.
Each file can be in different orientation as you like. But generally, it fits you only with 16:9. The orientation that you choose, on the top. That is the frame that it will fix automatically.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. For all the files, we can fix only the common thing, right, sir?
Yeah.
No, we cannot do separately.
Madam, what occasion you want to keep it separately, madam? Tell me now. Any example?
Yes, sir. First,
Yeah, all the frames, it is better to fit in the screen, no? What do you want to go for?
Yes, sir. I have downloaded one video file, sir. It's in portrait.
Portrait. Okay, fine.
Then I'm
Fine.
including one flyer which is created in landscape and one PowerPoint in landscape.
Yeah.
16:9.
Why, madam? Yeah. You can add, madam. Look at here. I just tell you. Yeah, you can add any landscaping. Look at here. For example,
Yes, sir.
look at here, madam. Look at here. I just opened this. See, this is the file landscaping, madam. Look at here. Sorry, this is portrait. You see, this is not This is not landscape. This is in portrait.
Okay.
You see that, madam? See, this picture is portrait. For that, what I have done? Look at here. I have chosen blurred bar, black bar. Look at here. See here at the bottom. Do you get it, madam? No bar means it fits it. It fits.
Okay, sir.
See, I use black bar now. I can get it, madam. This is of course landscaping. Look at here. See the top and bottom, it is not available. The picture orientation only this size, only this size.
Yes,
Top
sir.
and bottom you see blurred one.
Okay,
See,
sir.
you can apply all these, madam. See, if it is not full screen, if it's not fitting the screen that you have chosen, you
Okay.
can use at the bottom. Look at here. At the bottom, there is an option. Click that and choose variety of bars, maybe black
Okay.
bar or blurred bar or something like that. Okay, madam.
Okay, sir. When I'm fixing like that, I'm losing some content. So that I'm asking, sir. Maybe like the what you are saying, I have to fix. I'll check, sir.
No, yeah, you will not lose your content, madam. You try again. See, for example, this is the
Right.
picture. See here, I just give with no bar. Look at here, madam, no bar.
Yes,
And this is also with no bar. Look at here, this is also I just go with no bar. See here.
So I have
And,
to get the blurred one. Okay, sir.
Yeah, something like that. Okay, madam.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, dear professors. I think it is time. Thank you very much for your compliments. I request you all to please try. Please try. Make your own videos. And one question was there in the chat. I didn't. When I have more than it automatically reset. Yeah, Professor Radha, I think your question was about Zoom. When you want to go for Zoom permanently, for example, I use Zoom for 1,000 participants. You will have to pay 10,000 rupees plus tax. It comes around 11,000 rupees per 1,000. For 100, it is 1,700 rupees. It comes around 1,700 rupees. For 5,000 rupees, 5,000 for 500 people, it goes around 5,000 plus tax. So you will have to purchase if you want to use it. Otherwise, you can go for 45 minutes, half an hour duration. Thank you. Thank you, dear professors. Any other clarification? Professor Karthika, you have raised your hand. Professor Karthika. Professor Karthika.
Is it audible, sir? Is it audible?
Yes, you are audible. You are audible.
Actually, I downloaded the ice cream toolbar for video editing, but it's saying it's a Windows 7. Actually, I have. It's saying hardware-based DirectX 11 is not supported on this PC.
Madam,
So what should I do regarding?
Madam, sorry, madam. If the system is older, you cannot use this tool, madam. I'm sorry. The hardware compatibility should be
I
there.
also have to upgrade the Windows.
Yeah, certainly, madam. Madam, a humble request for all the professors, not only to you, madam. When you want to venture into e-content, you will have to update your system, madam. The RAM and the capacity of processor should also be increased. Usually, they suggest 8 GB RAM. 8 GB RAM is always better for e-content preparation. At least 4 GB. At least 4 GB you must have, and RAM, 4 GB RAM, and the processor should be i5, i3, or something advanced. Okay, madam. Windows 8 to Windows 10 will be far better. Okay, madam.
Okay.
Sorry, madam, I couldn't help you. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
got
you.
it.
Yeah, please update where it is possible, madam. Yeah, thank you.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Thank you. Any other clarification, professors? Otherwise, we shall call it a day. Over to the organizers if there are no queries. Thank you, participants. Thank you for all your queries. I'm grateful to your compliments and appreciations. Thank you. I will be very happy if you could come out with beautiful videos, and the organizers will also be happy if it comes outcome-based program. The program is successful. So I humbly request you to please create a video. Already the assignment is open. You can upload. Thank you. Over to the organizers. Mahalakshmi madam is waiting. Madam, your name? I'm sorry.
Thank you for your outstanding session, sir. We have learned a lot through your informative session, which has taken us to the next level in e-content development. Thank you very much, sir, for tremendous effort taken by for your patience throughout these 5 days. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Dear participants, thank you for your enthusiastic response throughout these days. I shared the feedback link in comment box. Please fill it, and day 6 program will start at 11 a.m. Please share your creative work to the chief guest so that he clear your doubts effectively. Once again, thank you one and all. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you all. Thank you, Dr. Vishnu Shankar. Thank you, Dr. Lawrence. Thank you, Dr. Mahalakshmi. Thank you. Thank you, dear participants. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you.
Sir, shall we wind up, sir? Vimal, sir?